says anybody can get the information, that is state information, not private information, from any office, either from the President's office to Prime Minister's office to lower Gram Panchayat office. Not only that, this is also one of the great act which will provide you to inspect the records under section 2J of the Right to Information Act. You can inspect the records of any office, from the President's office to lower Gram Panchayat office. This is the great act, no? How to inspect it? We have to write an application. We have to put an application before the offices. There are two things are there. One is information which is related to liberty. That is, suppose I have been arrested without any information. The people are arrested without information. That is related to the liberty of the life. Is it right or not? That information should be given within 48 hours. That information should be given within 48 hours. And other than that liberty, suppose you are asking about your application is pending. What happened to what is the status of your application? You are asking about your passport is pending. What is the status of your passport? Suppose you are asking about your certificates are pending. What is the status of that? Suppose your scholarship is pending. You are asking of that. Suppose your building permission is pending. You are asking of that. That information will be provided within 30 days. But this act, to be used as a tool, we have to write for, suppose, any ration cards or any certificate pending before the Tahsildar office. Just you write within 2 minutes. I will tell you to the public information officer, which office you are going to ask the information. To the public information officer. Every office is provided, regulated, or appointed as per this act to give the information to the public. Every office will have the public information officer. You visit any office, you are asked for a right to information board. Right to information board. There will be a board in all offices. That is in Telugu and English. They are writing Samachara Hakku Chattam, then Appellate Authority, Public Information, then all the boards are from higher authority to lower authority. No, but this board is reverse. First is lower authority, Public Information Officer, then Assistant Public Information Officer, Public Information Officer, then Appellate Authority. These three things you can observe in any office. Have you observed anybody here? Have you observed anybody here? Please raise the hands. Means you are not visited the office. Have you observed it? Right. That is must for the office. If there is, that board is not there, you please ask them to put the board. That is our right. Next. You just write an application to the Public Information Officer. Which office you are visiting, that office name, and what information you are seeking. Sir, under Right to Information Act, you please provide this information. I have been applied for this, but since 20 days, I am not getting this. Please provide the status of my application. Your name, signed by your name, and your cell number and date of that. Date. Within 30 days, they have to provide. And you should apply with the application fees. The application fees is court fee stamps. Court fee stamps. That court fee stamps are within 5 rupees. 5 rupees court fee stamps for the mandal level officers. For mandal level, And other offices, 10 rupees you should provide. Do you know what is court fee stamps? What is court fee stamps? These court fee stamps will be available in the registration offices. Court fee stamps. Please aware of this. You should learn this. Please tomorrow you get the court fee stamps. Just you have to affix the court fee stamp 5 rupees or 10 rupees to your application and get the same copy of acknowledgement. Get the same Xerox copy and ask for the acknowledgement. That's all. They are bound to give within 30 days information. Once you give this information, once you register, once you submit this application, they are bound to give within 30 days your information. Suppose you are going on pillar to post, post to pillar, pillar to post, post to pillar. 1 year, sir, so many people will say that, sir, 1 year is happened, sir, 30 days, sir, 40 days, nothing doing. You just put an application, otherwise you make it, don't go for that office, make it register post. Exercise your right, that is the main, right? Will you do it? Can I repeat anything? You can ask 1 or 2 questions, that's all. That's all. 1 or 2 questions, just write to information. I will give you a number and I will on phone call, I will support you to write the application, to submit the application, everything. At that juncture, you must be ready with your pen and paper and court fee stamp. Court fee stamps, I will show you the court fee stamps I just brought just afterwards. Just any question, 1 or 2. Right.
Is it applicable for private entities also, like societies and trusts as well?
Yeah. It is applicable. Suppose how it is applicable? Or not all the day-to-day transactions will not be applicable. But if they get any permission from the authorities, then it is applicable. How? Suppose a private school is there, they will apply for recognition. When they made a recognition, they will give some documents. The documents you can get, but you cannot ask what are the financial everything, they provide things. Up to that extent you can get it. Got the point? Anything more?
Sir, my question is, sir, even we are applying online also, that work has to be done within 2 months or 1 month. But especially the collector office and the SLR office, they are making it pending without assigning any result. So in such cases, as you said very nicely, so can we try for in RTI? How can we reach that?
Yes, there is best question, that is within 1 minute I will tell you. There is an appeal authority. Suppose this office is not given the information within 30 days. Then where we have to go after 30 days, we have to go for the appellate authority, just saying that our previous acknowledgement paper is there, no? Under 19(1) of the RTI Act, don't need of writing 19(1), just appeal. Then on MRO, on Tahsildar, RDO office is there. Revenue Divisional Officer, appellate authority under RTI Act. Then I have been applied for this information in the so and so MRO Tahsildar office, but I didn't get this information. Please provide the information from that office. Then he will call for that. That is the appeal. Then afterwards, suppose the RDO is also failed, then he can go for the commission office located at Hyderabad. You can write these 2 things. One is your application, second is appellate authority application, third one is you can write to the Commissioner of Information and at this Moinjai market, just Moinjai market and Hyderabad. Commissioners, the Chief Commissioners of Information, Moinjai market, Hyderabad. Please post it. Then these both people will be called. PIO will be called, MRO will be called, Tahsildar, RDO will be called. That is the appellate authority. Right? Thank you. Thank you for